Welcome back to Better Sleep. Did you know your bedroom temperature could be stealing your sleep? Are you waking up through the night too hot or too cold? That's not random. It's your temperature and it could be ruining your sleep every single night. Let's fix it. Your body doesn't just fall asleep, it cools itself into sleep. About an hour before sleep, your core temperature drops slightly. 0.5 to 1 degree Celsius. That's your brain's signal to release melatonin. Here's the problem: most people either keep their room too warm or make it uncomfortably cold. Above 24 degrees, your deep sleep can drop by 20%. Below 17 degrees, your body starts shivering instead of resting. Both can disrupt your sleep without you realizing it. Most sleep experts recommend a room temperature between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit. But for many people, a more comfortable range is 65 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 22 degrees Celsius. Depending on your bedding, clothing, and climate, the goal isn't cold, it's slightly cool and comfortable. When your room is too warm, your body struggles to stay asleep. You wake up more often and get less deep sleep. Even small changes make a big difference. And here's what most people miss: it's not just temperature, humidity matters too. Between 40 and 60% is ideal. Below 40% humidity, your throat and nose dry out, and you wake up uncomfortable. Above 60% heat gets trapped and your room feels hotter than it is. The second hidden factor: airflow. Still air traps heat around your body, even if the room feels cool. A simple fan can make your room feel up to 2 to 3 degrees cooler without changing the temperature. Just keep the airflow indirect for comfort. Here's what to try tonight: set your room between 65 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 22 degrees Celsius. Use breathable bedding, add a fan, and keep humidity between 40 and 60%. One simple trick: wear light socks to bed. Warming your feet helps your body cool down faster, so you fall asleep sooner. Living in a hot, humid climate: prioritize a dehumidifier and use a bed fan. Avoid memory foam, it traps heat. Set your AC to 18 to 22 degrees Celsius. And keep your sheets breathable. Your sleep environment should match where you live. Living in dry desert heat, evaporative coolers work wonders. Add a humidifier to reach that 40 to 60% range, cotton or bamboo bedding only. And keep your thermostat between 18 and 22 degrees Celsius. Dry air doesn't have to mean dry sleep. Living in cold climate, don't crank the heat. Keep your room at 19 degrees Celsius. Use a warm duvet but crack the window open just a little. Fresh cold air plus warm blankets equals perfect deep sleep, and your body will know what to do. There's no perfect number for everyone. The goal is simple: a room that helps your body cool down without making you uncomfortable. Tonight, change just one thing to help regulate your temperature and control your sleep environment. Then notice how this can help you sleep. Follow, like, share, and subscribe to Better Sleep for more science-backed tips.